Power to the women. Power to the leaders. Moka be digi on be kenu waro be she baba obuenu aberi ye la diama no an se ti ati e wo wi ati wota lare o me ye no ka ke na ro o me e bedroom we na na me palo me bedroom e na no
igwe le gbebere mi ana 5 years ago na ka bi bo were una ka ma me mi ha lo gwalo iwo ni wu na ewu ina ka ma we na wo pa wo or a mupo na but label to a palliative magawe but a government or a tira or a tiwupo no kwani ina we so pa no awupo na we grade ni ya no label to a earth road mane council magawe we ya wo una gugwa le primary school du yere baba ina mo primary school ina mo na bani akpa yeke na mena ame oyiba una wa fa mafia we ya ga pa ibare egbo ya iwe le gbegi mu ere ina bani uri popa me u moto bai wa moto me na e buti wan ye na we after school ima we bibere ikwe kina kama me nya we abalika na ye gbowa ya we abalika na ye gbowa oni ya be gwalo be kini wa ina we ni ya upona e kupe wo tubu na ko ajere uvun pa ne gede gbe lo regbe secondary school uvun ni we ai la mi ana la fi amu we ege ni ama lupo na ege ni mo ya vie upokuta re o sa mo se gbo Ogbemudia stadium e shock ya la ere na ya upona ni ma ya do lupo na ja ke do mewa ti do alupo na ege ni kede ri ade ni a ma ye hia imedi o ka mo we na ni awe e na bije na e mu pe wo tubu na amu ese de atara mu ese te tuta ara wu na by God's grace okay se ge mi po wa bere alugan wu na te to e wo tubu ibo le bere kanso erun gbe ne ya swime e kanso iya ya kian e me igwa lo bo we because when you make a time any time ebi da mu eto so then you get the raw no na ri eba e you na get le no concern e go to uru tama me de ya be kama we be ya be here
oyi ma ege mo ya mi o ore mo and my we live with na do for a short time. I work with whatever she says, she does it. I make to now one kind I work in a book training. I work. I go near where I play schooling. I have 10 classrooms. I will then at one area. The government approved 6 classrooms there. I try for my friends. I think it's done there. So, it's going and we only talk. We are happy. I'm able to be marked for a non-mapping. So the problem I am able to know from generation, almost a generation, or a new manner. Katikate, a manana. Very much, a good Ogoni, how to lay the swat the warming, or so much into your sailor. Although Galona, as if I or say a girl. Et à même pour les schools, que va dire, il montre une attache à point de house. Que va dire, Waterstone project. It's not a long place. Martha and the money where I can go. Ça nous vient à moins c'est une réaction. So c'est à même pas valider. On peut offrir avec un peu de temps. Ok, là. Only the major problem about me able to mula wa dire I where I'm not before no e na ni ma I be na na we My amigo, my amigo, we can keep on praying for you that God will lead you there safely.
And they're one of the elders for Eghe here, Eghe community. So Eghe Ogbemudia we come flag up today for our done way house. Now woman we trust. Now woman we know say he go fit do better thing. Anything when he promise he dey fit do am. Because he don't fit do am for us before. He don't build a toilet for our market. He don't build school for us. So we know say na real good, na good woman. So we dey support am.
So he Thailand, why are you doing it? About that, go on, you see me or you team of police. But I don't care for that. And now, I'm not 8 hours or 1 hour, yes. You my dad, very more, because what? You know, you are going well, you already have no way with me. My way, you could be away. I can't buy by me, I'm going to woman. And you want to know if you have a vision. I have to another. And I don't know what, or I don't know what I'm level. Or Joe, a team, very government team, I know. I'm a banana or I know. I'm very happy now where we might go out to the I don't know when they want to go where when I come my way, like tomorrow, but all the two, my two are there. They're going to go off where we come off from what I mean, why? And you can't know where we go. Who are you? Who are you?
Eghe Ogbemudia, the incoming chairman, honorable, is nine we know, and na man of the people. And by the grace of God, he don't first do chairman. What he do is satisfy us. That's why we say we go see both of them again. May come do the remaining one finish. So,
she don't try. She tried the first 10 or when he first come. But the error, you know, the person not no finish. I don't tell her mistake. He said she will amend it, and the legacy, the thing when the papa first do, I say she go follow. So let's wait, I will wait by the grace of God. If he enter, I think he will try.
Eghe PDP Local Govumet Egor Uswe aloka we yokia when you see me every no la wo nuwe utame wo jabe enuma we na we mi no mo me transit ya ko kan e go na kare obe we ni ile ne we radio una le kuma kan ile ko pe we go na ro ba sen yo mu ye de pe ifo la wo wo no we no ba ka Oba top hey.
Philippians P.
We did.
That way, Odomo. Mo inyata. Idiwe inya. When I am just me. Where I won't get on of your boy. Bomo ye. No come away where you will be cancel. Nikaju. You will be here. Nga I know see where. Ele soliu imaufu yoni ya finish owo de na kala me owe lọ́wọ́. So I am not a novice in this business. So here na like na me we ego the benefits the go. So we ma do yin na we to la wo to do ewu ya suma ma be chancellor e bosse no yo mo ka o. Èmi bù mí wú mọ̀mọ́ ẹ̀ tí wà mí wú àti ìyá rẹ̀ mọ́. But so one no, the year finish a council in February 2021. In our way, both still worship. Now render him by still worship. But not just when they are by them. Do that time here where they renew the year. The marriage finish work. I'm giving the opportunity. Ya will be ya do finish eh. The manifesto na the next phase of Egor. Hope, Mountain of Hope 2022. But that way, Manana, Egor Cottage Hospital. The Maboye was 4 Egor. Now make a nice finish a hospital. The man have security vigilantes. The Eghe carry the council inaugurated a local government vigilantes. Ina be bosses in Hania. Ina we motorcycle by Ina Yahweh a patrol. Then my baby school. It was 6 now and school that was the only word normal school in the whole of the local government. Very like ina be kamia kula biskunia ina be biskunia. Then I go to now we primary school ni ameba ana wa memue ana una we be biskuwe you know get odion we etigi ona do to mama ana be biskuwe be diba. The campaign here, having work in Alata Mame, when you need a canadian go wa when da esoro ga ye go wa mu yo baba ki wari wa ona fe te ma be yo e na ka ma we e lo go bia do no ye go wa botolo wo o weti wa ke mo adesoe no ga ye go wa ina wi ga be e go wa ye e iya no re ego me ke ba ni kan so de mana mi so we e iya we go ona ga me e kana ye go wa the only one that can I go back here you to Mariareva and that will not work naked back or he or no way you can testify to that. So and then they still worship in Ghana. Every room the man will a great picture of him and you not concern hospital in Mana. Then my baby a lollipop. Ẹ̀yọ́ bá àárọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ ìmọ̀tò náà gbọ̀ngàn òkú yòókù máa bọ̀mí across gbogbo ọ̀rẹ́ ìsú dúyè ìṣeré ọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ ìmọ̀nà tó kéèkì máa tiẹ̀ lollipop yéé ya ìmọ̀nà àwọn ìlàbá yáyá gbé máa crosẹ̀ èmọ̀ òkú màmá yóò lè gbé yẹn ìmọ̀tò gbọ̀ pàdé òkú màmá kìí lè ìwó ìgbọ̀lókò gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ẹ̀kú ìṣèlú ọ̀rẹ́rẹ́ wa nábẹ́ wò. Odawo enya ma bi ma de we interlock you that way no make na ni musi be na kona e ke da keni yo e the most beautiful market Edo State ebi kunro ni ma be wu ma bi ma de gbe introduce agriculture e ke ni ma ni mugbo na ga e ti bi ami abe soft loan nya ga ya mugbo and ma be go create a security no concern a herdsmen bawo gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ mahia na mi egbere ya le ya do security meeting na mi ewe ya ma ya via be melu lawe ubiyan ya bo yan ko e ya le e manifesto na ore ma me ya le ma emi ya le ma kiawo and ti o sa lo wa e ti ni kawo iga se kanso e na ya ni ni kiawo na ego we e ke na ya we igo ayawe when the resources are there I will complement everything and I will make sure that whatever I promise will be done for the people of the local government. Because at time I'm a baby in Joma, and when I hear council Igba by can council. And by God's grace, Yahweh we are doing your body in your way. In a Yanama way for Muhammad Gaway, while we are nobody in your way, I will never go. But by God's grace, they time and say Nicaro. We will make sure that everything that we have promised, we will do it by God's grace. There's always sometimes where we want to go. The governor Imam or Oswan Guadalajara Nakia, he were here. He has set up a committee. He had there. He has sworn and then the commissioner Imam already roads and bridges. Already has said now, no matter to do the partner. Already go there in Naveswing. Even a young man will be technical college to go and you Oveswing. In 19th Street, near where they we are taking a dollar college, near where they talking is well. So we're still Saluba, my mission where in Anania, my way in Egor. And though where I see at them, a few. Very many, when many council chairman. The community, local government are taking because we are closer to the grassroots. Naya give my madam make sure we my say no is taking Ayoba. So no concern a manifesto or women here will be a council and a media if power be very job where more cow. No presenters still worship you Edo State now when we renew the vehicle. And then I wait one year, where I'm going to go campaign. The very big manifesto no way because we have a vision. I have a vision. I plan ahead and I will continue to do that because I am my father's daughter. Always
I think our partner was for the kind of community where while I then I'm a to walk my carrying and not carry away. Oh, I didn't work on Alina. Put on Alina. You go to my what the hell. I might was to do with that one. You know, I have to know. I might complete the same. My girl, the whole time, much every time.
Ele mora de Guma Guananga. Ele é para o one to town. Most of the time, I you talk, I you I wear you are happy, you are. My you are allow a nata namonse. Without Agoye, you know, Timata, you know, we run around the body. Oh, I say, I walk to my now, how I say. I will be born I will make my baby when I will be continue.
The pain of the people of Eghe which all to the world one section. Our pain, we are presenting it to you before now, which is our market. A market can never be built and say with a competitor or power. It's impossible. So, in that way, all the way, a day like this will also come again. So, in the cow, we are over. So, you try and do the needful. You try when you get there. Even having close office with him, they'll still worship everything in this time. Even like we are saying, even one of the very cold people in vigilante, one of the vigilante before Ojima, you give them a boss, I'm aware. So, they will retire, oh, you're all, the only money you do the needful. Because nobody is above God.
I want to use this medium to promise the people of Eghe that our well-received governor will make sure and he will finish this show before his tenure ends. And I promise the people that even when we cannot tie the whole road, but the road will be very, very motorable for the people of Eghe. So that's what my message is all about. And that's the reason why I am walking on the road. I don't want to go into the car. I want to walk down the road to see the people of Eghe local government.
Wabokia, Enimore Pastor Nosaka Obadagmoy. Where the late Brigadier Ogbemudia Wogaro
I was in SDP. My uncle, Godwin Omorige, was also in SDP. Owimawa were out of school, Oribiore, Ekene deaf and dumb with him. Then, Eamado ya Tame Ogbemudia, where I don't vote who will be man. Eyana wa vela wogwa. Yeah, vela, yeah, sache, yeah, so basically, yeah, basically nothing. Ogbemudia na we search wa mami roba. Why not leave the people alone? Oh no, please leave them alone. Yeah, TV mabu yende. Oh no, we leave them alone. On a sima. But there was a time I was a teacher in Erosa Grammar School. Ekemega aye the start quarter way out that ware Ogbemudia. Yes, Biheya. I was there. I used to go there to see the wife Clara ni Osawi. So Omabe Yaro Gbeme Dokpa. But I felt there was no way I could recompense him. But now is the opportunity. Ooh. Me, my wife, and my children will have 5 votes. We will give them to you.
Thank you.
Baba we say amen. Thank you. Baba,
O salobwa no gbomaru no gboru. No gyo boru ese ke mo wonu se. Ede oga aye we ni Jesu Kristi no ya.
O na reke. E hu tamawa. E ne ro ma aru to osomo. Ere agere ho omodi oyae. Ogbemudia in the year 1967. Boko sunu. Ihe ya deka okwe Biafra kume with the great. But when your father come, there was a total liberation. Now, for that liberation, we'll give it to you. Amen. We'll give it to you. Amen. I'm not going to go. They are all liberated to your for that. In order to that day we work for you. We work for you. We work for you. We can't go Kakebo. Unfortunately, yes. So now we pray that honor
the way he performed for the last time when he first come, we feel say he go fit perform even better than that one now. That's why we dey support him. Congratulations to her in advance. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. Ogbemudia cannot do well and then the other one cannot do well. They must do well. Since Ogbemudia will do well, the other one will also do well. We bank on the two of them.
Ewotubu oye. Now well done. Now me, Eghe Ogbemudia, the immediate past chairman of Egor Local Government, and now I dey contest again to go back to council. Una do well for supporting my first tenure and supporting me again as we dey, so may we take go back. Woman talk to woman, woman understand. Abi no be so? You know say if I dey council now, I go need legislators. Abi people wey go dey there wey go dey fight the fight of Ward 1, Ewotubu, Igwe Dayi. Abi Uhuo, Ubi Oko, Oredi Yoba, Agbodo. And not be so. So this time around, I will say, as woman they go, may woman come out for this side. Because now we women, I know how to hold home. Abi not be so. Our monoko move over there. You know, women, we know how to manage. Abi not be so. See, make I beg una. On the 2nd of September, now be the D-Day. Now we need all of una. We go to una polling unit. Make una go vote for PDP. On that day, my picture no go dey there. Abi, my picture no go dey there. Wetin go dey there na the symbol of umbrella. Now be this umbrella so. Abi no be so. Wetin make us dey carry this big one, make una for really dey see and say PDP na e dey for Edo State, and na PDP na e go give us wetin we want. And by God's grace, if una vote for us for PDP, make I go back to council. As we get PDP government, anything wey we want for Ewotubu, we go get am. We go continue dey push, say yes, make dem come, make dem come. And I wan promise una today, say our governor, our wait and see governor, he don tell us, say people wey wan do this road, wey they don start, they are coming back to site. And they go make sure say they do Ewotubu for us. Because I know say if they do Ewotubu for us, so many things go change. Abi no be so? Make una not forget one thing. 2018, when I come this una ward, una ask me for 3 things. Una say, una women come tell me for inside market, say they want convenience, where woman go fit bath, do everything when they come market. Abi no be so? I no do am. Una say una need primary school where e dey inside water, e no good. We no move and go another place, build another primary school for una. If una remember, e get one big hole wey dey for this Ewotubu road. Una remember, near very e dey close to that secondary school. The whole trailer fit enter inside. Na me as council chairman at that time, na I come do palliative for this road. And na no say for council, na earth road na we fit do, we no fit tile road. But I wan tell una now say, as soon as I go back to council, I go make sure say this una road dem do am. Abeg, I dey beg una. I dey beg una. Make una vote for PDP. Na the only party wey go fit rescue this Edo State and wey go fit rescue Egor Local Government. Because me na person wey be say I get shame, and because of my pedigree wey dey call say my papa name, I no wan spoil am. I will do everything in my power to bring that dividends of democracy to the people of Ewotubu. Please, I am begging you, make una no vex again for this Ewotubu road. We go come do am. Abeg, I wan tell una something. Some people there where they don't move in voters card go another unit. Where you no know, abeg go find out where your unit dey. So the day of election, make you not forget. Say your unit, they don't move on from unit 1 to unit 3, so that you go know where you go vote. All of una wey dey here today, una go help me do something. Una go comot, go una house. Tenants dey una house. Una neighbor, everybody wey dey your community, make una dey tell them say the person wey dey come, wey dey contest for local government chairman, under the umbrella of PDP. Now she be Eghe Ogbemudia. Egwizi papa no ezion. I am my father's daughter. And anything when I talk, say I go do. By God's grace, I go do am. Now make I come beg una. So from now, make all of una, make una begin they do road show. Make una begin they do mosquito campaign. Make una they go house to house. Make una tell them, say, see the person where they come. And he go do wetin he talk say he go do for us. PDP, power to the men, power to the women, power to the youth, greatest Nigeria youth, and the greatest and the greatest and the greatest and the greatest and the greatest. Woman talk to woman, woman understand. You both should go and do the right thing. God bless you all. Thank you so much. PDP. I be not be so. He said we dey can't pay, and now we dey power, and we know they fear, because now our time. Now the only political party where go fit make sure everything dey well for Egor local government. Now be this. I be not be so, and the only political party where go make sure say things dey well for this Edo state. I be not be so. And the only political parties wey go make sure say everything dey well for Nigeria. I be not be so. When PDP dey power, things not easy. So we will continue to work and make sure that PDP remain in power. So I come beg una. As una dey comot here now, because wetin I dey see here na party members. Now we dey see here. All of una wey dey here, not be party members. Not be party members una be. Are you not members of PDP? So, I want beg una. Make una start una work. House to house campaign. Make una go dey tell people. Say, the person where they give ticket, the person where PDP bring come out for Egor local government, na Eghe Ogbemudia. That work where we do, where we never finish, now we go want go back, go do again. And the only way where we go fit take get that mandate, now when una waka, when una work, make una tell people, say make them come out on the 2nd of September, make them come vote for the umbrella. Because that day, my photo no go dey there. Lion photo no go dey there. His name no go dey there. My name no go dey there. The only thing where una go see, now just the symbol of umbrella. So make una shake that una umbrella, make we see am. Because now umbrella, if person dey go market now, rain dey fall, not be only umbrella you go take cover body. I be not be so. So now I come beg una, say I beg, make una enter street, make una go house to house. When I go dey tell them, say the only person where you go fit bring that dividends of democracy to the people of a local government is Eghe Ogbemudia. My papa don't fair do one before. I be not be so. So wetin my papa don't fair do, I no won't do anything wey go spoil my papa name. One thing for this life, he said good name is better than riches. I dey always dey ask some people, I go ask them, anywhere where I dey go, people they pray for me, they happy with me. They say, ah, your papa do well, my pikin, we go support you. So because of that one, I talk and say, I must do everything in my power to protect that name and to bring that dividends of democracy to the people of Egor. Another thing where we need to know, may we repair our name. Because when we repair our name, now our children now go benefit them. If you not repair your name, now the children now go suffer them. I be not be so. So everybody will continue to ask themselves, when they die tomorrow,
what will they be remembered for? Today, people are remembering my father. That, oh, if not him, nothing could have happened. If not him that rescued the Midwest. If not him that did this in Edo State. If not him that did this during the time of Bender State. Now, because the man get better name, he do well for people. Now make me the waka for street. I go the waka, I go the shakara. I go the shakara. People go say she tall like him papa. I go the shakara. Why? Because I be Ogbemudia pikin. Because he do work. He do better. Let's say my papa not do better. Fear not go let me come here. Fear not go let me come campaign for anybody. Because now my papa don't do his own. He don't pass. Now my turn now to do my own. Now make me start for local government. That first time when I first go, I do work and I try. And I know say this time when I dey go so, I go try pass as I first try before. And I go make that thing to happen for me. So I beg my papa, I beg my mama, my brothers and my sister, the youth. He said, no woman, you train a woman, no youth, no election. Because now youth, now they stand that day for feet to protect our mothers and our fathers, to make sure, say, everything work well on that day. So I come beg una, I beg, make una do una best for us. Now the symbol of umbrella, now we go see there, not be any other thing, umbrella. And make una they tell them, if even they want to come out for road, we don't want vote again. This is that, tell them say now Ogbemudia pikin they come. She never felt work before. Now she they come back now. If you not vote for them, if you not want better thing, women want better thing, make them vote for this woman. Make she come back to council so that she go come do the thing we're supposed to do for our people. I be not be so we go tell them, I beg, now we come beg on today.
PDP! Power to the people! Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, Ogare PDP, the chairman, the council, Mene, Edigina Gai Councilor. Nala, Wagaye Kwemuwe, Wagaye Kwemuye, a PDP of the governor, a PDP of the chairman, a PDP of the councilor. Every no man, Nala, Nata me Yimani Rowa, every man Rowa, 80 months, Nipiatimani Hu, Nagbeala Vederio, Seteba second, Nagboyamo Boye, a PDP. Wagata Vega Gaga. Wagata veni atani wala obyo taki obyo seseki obyo digi no nya seki oka obyo digi ya latena oka no you say ya latia kobena kewe amami obyo na kio waya wa wese o PDP.
People have been very, very supportive. And I know that people will continue to support us. And you have already promised that you will support us. And I believe you. Because being that way in my first tenure, Imam Ibrahim Wahala, Kenyana Amwego, the Maya Amwina, Egara Dinala Amwen, Abio, you know. So, Yare, and not still I'm going around the video. While we did the council, I got rock every day. And where I asked them, I think you. Umama you or Moya, Tammy government today, area, Emma, all over, because they don't know why I can't do a baby here. You see, I'm here, I have a councillor. Amen. A council chairman. Any or you gave government. The council have actually work. They put a health road in my great me. Only a council to buy where you also have your Arukunaya in Odina. But it's just a loboa, a technical, a 2-year FFF. I will mention 2nd of September. Ina ìmúì bí náà káwé ní ilé àwọn ìdí ìbò ẹ̀. Ìjọba ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ òwá àákàrí ọdún. Ìyẹn ti tàyà gbọ́dọ̀ àwọn èèwọ̀ ẹ̀ bí alámi ewu àsọ̀pọ̀tì rẹ̀ máa wáyà káàdì òkùnkùn wà pé di ọmọdé wáyà tí èdè mímá ní kanṣó bí náà káàdì ìwẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn àbèzí òòjọ́ àìwẹ̀ ìrẹ̀lẹ̀. Mo dá mẹ́ẹ̀. Like we said, I have a name to maintain. You know, I can't your own fortunate, I don't have fortunate like politics. Honestly, or we only do take like politics. And I'm going to go here, or we found a need. So, no matter the obstacles, no matter the turbulence, I will stand firm to keep my father's legacy. So, you know, it was all now. My campaign is about the now. And secondly, our election we vote for Imana or the head. So, so, a modern day, Edo Kamuawe, I want to pay the payment, I want to pay the ticket to me, when you are alias the man, who are open on a year. Now, here is a year. When I already have 5 coming more. Eke ya mira jo, emirame, eso mundo no pa. Elame, oma, o besoro, o vamos a ver lo que hay, como para que lo vean. No se va a hacer nada con la mujer. My father may be late, but Eghe is in me, and I will continue to protect his name and to bring the dividends of democracy to the people of Eghe Local Govumet. And I promise to do my best to make sure that all our health roads in Egor will be motorable for people to move around. Wetin happen from ward 1, we go ward 1, we go ward 3, then we come ward 4. This particular ward where we dey so, ward 4. Now here I get one of my biggest projects where they build hospital, where we dey call Egor Cottage Hospital. It dey off the road here. So now this ward now it dey. And every time where we dey campaign, we dey always dey come dey campaign for this tipper garage because they really dey support us well for here. So now make me still come here today to still come beg them for their support. By God's grace, they vote for me for this next election where they come. So on the 2nd of September, all the things where I be they do, where I never finish, I will make sure say I finish them. Number 1, I be this hospital where they talk, because this hospital they very important. Because we know say once this hospital finish now, it go to help our people for this community. Not be only this community, people where they come from Igwe, Okokugbe, Ukbiya, all those community from Igwe Daji, they go feel they come here from Okokugbo, from Ugbioko, from Ewotubu, they feel come this hospital. Now waiting too hard, they go feel now go UBTH or go Stella Basanjo. So it's very important to me, say make I finish that hospital. And the other things where I need to do, mostly which they concern our health and security. So everybody come out and they shout Eghe Ogbemudia, Eghe Ogbemudia. You see, I'm saying, Oyibo say good name is better than riches. They know who I be. They know who be my papa. My papa don't do well before. And you know, say like I talk, lion not the born snake. If lion want born, he go born lion. So as they know say I be Ogbemudia pikin, and I first go council before, and I walk when I go council. They know say if I go again now, I go walk. So now make them they shout everywhere where they go. As you ask me, Eghe Ogbemudia, Eghe Ogbemudia, Eghe Ogbemudia. And because of the good thing when I first do before, when I go still do again.